Hi, I'm Sophie.
I'm Ellie, and we're two occupational therapy students from University of Newcastle up here on our second year placement. Port Macquarie is a beautiful coastal town. It's also surrounded by beautiful bushland. It's kind of like half city, half country town almost.
Lots of roundabouts.
Yeah, lots of roundabouts.
The lifestyle in Port Macquarie is definitely one of the big appeals of it. Like, I go for runs, I go for lots of swims all the time. The beaches are really lovely. There's heaps, like the cafe culture is great. Doing a rural placement, you really get to know people. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. And by coming to a rural community, you see that there's so many different factors that influence people's health. Initially, I was definitely very hesitant to going rural, but I'm very happy that I have taken the opportunity, and now I'm considering it again next year.
So Soph and I didn't know each other before this placement. We just met pretty much on the first day, so I didn't expect to walk away with a new close friend. So that's been, super lovely.
There's a lot of young people kind of getting about the town, and everyone was kind of around my age, similar lifestyle. So yeah, it was really easy to get to know people.
Part of our placement is we've had the opportunity to do surf therapy with a group of kids, which has been really awesome. The idea is just kind of getting them out in the ocean and working on, their social skills, their play skills, their motor skills. In terms of supervisors and mentors and things like that, everything is here. And so I feel like I've built quite a good network in Port Macquarie, where to enter into the workforce from here, I would feel really safe and really supported. Yeah, it's been so great to have that support. It's made me consider going on another placement, knowing that how supportive the uni is as well.
It's such a rewarding experience, and stepping outside of your comfort zone is when beautiful things happen.